anywhere in the world, but you are here with me. And I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. And so today's vlog, you guys, we are in the kitchen. It is football season, it's entertaining season, and I am here to show you 3 different recipes that are a crowd pleaser. So if you want to see what we're cooking in the kitchen today, then definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, so like I said, we are in the kitchen today. So the 3 recipes that we are going to be fixing are spinach dip, buffalo chicken dip, and we're also going to be making some bacon wrapped smokies. And so let's stop all the chit chat. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients that you are gonna need for your spinach dip. All right, you guys, so the ingredients for spinach dip are very, very simple. We're also putting this, all of these ingredients into a crock pot, and we'll have it cook on low for about 2 hours, and it should be ready to serve. And so you're gonna need some Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm very particular about my cream cheese, just for the simple fact, all cream cheeses are not the same. So I use 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. I use 1 package of Parmesan cheese, 1 package of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 package of frozen spinach cooked. So I just get the Walmart brand, or you can get whatever store brand and just cook it based upon the instructions, and then just let it sit for a few minutes before you add it into your crock pot. And so there's no particular way I add all of this in at one time. But I do save half of the mozzarella and half of the Parmesan, and I'll show you guys how we do that later. So let's go ahead and get all of this into the crock pot. You guys, so the next recipe is going to be my buffalo chicken dip, and so I'm going to go over the ingredients with you guys, and then we'll go ahead and toss this into the crock pot. And so first things first, you're going to need 2 chicken breasts that have been cooked and shredded. And so me personally, I like to just cook the chicken breast myself, and so I'll boil these on the stove for about 25-35 minutes. I do not season the water or anything like that, and so I just boil it and then I take it out and shred it. I have not tried canned chicken. I also have not tried buying like chicken breasts that are already cooked like at the grocery store and coming home and shredding it. Haven't tried it, so this is the way that I do it. And so I have my chicken breast here. I also have 1.5 cups of ranch. And next is I have 3/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. There is a difference. Do not get the original because the original has more spice. And so I like to use the wing sauce. Next, 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Y'all know I don't play when it comes to my cream cheese. I have 1 pack of Colby Jack cheese, and then I have 1 pack of mozzarella. I'll be using all of this in the crock pot, so let's go ahead and get this incorporated. my bacon wrapped smokies. And so we are just gonna be using some beef smokies that I got from the grocery store. I like to use the Hillshire Farm, and I only use the beef. I don't like the one that has the pork and chicken, only use beef. And I also have my bacon already cut up in thirds. And so you just take your strips of bacon, cut it up in thirds, and voila. And then I have some brown sugar and a little bit of black pepper mixed in together. So I have that in here. So that's about 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and then 2 pinches of black pepper. And then I also have some toothpicks, because that is what we're gonna use to make sure everything stays together. So let's get to wrapping these smokies, and I'm gonna show you guys the process, and then we're gonna throw these bad boys in the oven. So now that my bacon wrapped sausages are in the oven, I am just gonna go to my dips and go ahead and make sure that everything is incorporated. And since these are just dumped in, you do need to mix them periodically just to make sure that they do not stick. One trick that I like to use is I like to spray the crock pot itself with like cooking spray, or just brush it with some olive oil, whatever suits your fancy, so that way you don't have to worry about anything sticking and burning. And so that's done. Now moving on to the buffalo chicken dip. And once everything is melted very well, that's when you will go in and just add your cheeses on top and just let it sit until it is ready to serve. And these are definitely crowd pleasers. They're perfect for any football parties, or even if you just want to entertain for grins and giggles. Beautiful people, so I just took out our bacon wrapped sausages from out of the oven. Y'all, they look so good. They look so good. So let's have a little taste test. The girls have been waiting to get these, so I'm gonna taste one really quickly before they come downstairs. And y'all, you can see the brown sugar on here, the little bit of black pepper. It isn't burnt. This is just where the sugar sat down into the pan. So let's go ahead and give these a bite. Y'all, these are good. So good. That's what it looks like. Perfect little treat. Use a toothpick, grab and go. Perfect little hors d'oeuvre. I'm currently waiting for my buffalo chicken dip and the spinach dip to finish. While I waited, I went ahead and sliced up a French baguette and toasted these in the oven. And that's what we will be using for the spinach dip. You can also use Tostitos. I like to use the one that has very light salt, and you can use those chips for the spinach dip as well as the buffalo chicken dip. And so the buffalo chicken dip and the spinach dip will be ready in just a few moments. And when it is, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, so my buffalo chicken dip is finished and spinach dip is finished. So I have that here. I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test. I gotta get me some chips, but I do have my French baguettes here. And so that is what I'm gonna use. So 1 second, let me go get my chips, but I wanted to show you guys what all it looks like. Can't wait to dish them. So I got my chips. Let's dig in with this buffalo chicken dip first. So good. Just enough spice, but that ranch definitely balances it out. And you can do so many things with this. And so you can make buffalo chicken wraps. You can do like buffalo chicken grilled cheese. You can fix it like this. I use this buffalo chicken dip for the kids for lunch. And so the possibilities are endless. Now, let's move on to the spinach dip. So like I said, you can put it on your French baguette that's toasted, or you can do it with the chips. That's what it looks like. Bon appetit. So good. So good. You can also use this same dip and stuff it into chicken breast and put it in the oven, and you can have spinach dip chicken breast. So good, you guys. But all good things must come to an end, and this is one of those good things. And so I am going to go ahead and end this vlog here. Y'all let me know which recipe was your favorite recipe today, and let me know any recipes you want me to try, or any recipes that you like to use for your appetizers when you're entertaining. Hopefully this helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.